Hey, people, welcome. So, welcome to my video. You probably noticed a few different changes with my format. I got like a giant screen behind me. Actually, it's not a screen. It's just a blank white wall in my parents' bedroom. You're welcome. Today, I am going to be making some bookmarks for my boyfriend who requested them because I made some for some other people in a previous vlog I did. If you haven't seen it yet, go watch it, you know, if you're into that sort of thing. And you're gonna watch me make those bookmarks for him. Should be fun. Let's go! Yahoo! So the first thing I did was cut out some pieces of watercolor paper and punch some holes in them. And the size for each of these markers are 3 by 6 inches to my boyfriend's request. I think it's a nice, good ratio to go for when you're making bookmarks. You may have noticed that I am not in my studio. I am in a hardware store that also sells bait. But that's not important right now. Look at this cat. You see, she's a beautiful feline who won't stop getting in my way. But still, I'd be pretty lonely in that store without her, so thanks, Lola. designs. I used washi tape in my last video that I made with bookmarks and stuff. I think it turned out pretty well for them, but I'm not sure for these ones. I kind of feel like for these, I was kind of lenient, not in a good way. It just felt kind of, weird. It had a weird design, okay? And I just did not care for them. I mean, it fit in with the collage-y style of my usual art, but I just didn't care for it. But thankfully, I could redeem myself with the next half of the order or commission or request for my boyfriend. For this next batch of bookmarks, I just made some more abstract backgrounds of different colors and stuff. I made one that kind of unintentionally looks like the jazz design, you know, like on those cups. I don't know if I could get sued for it, but you know what? Who cares? I like it. I'm gonna keep it. And I decided that instead of just copying like the front and putting it on the back, I decided to just do like 2 completely different designs on each side, and I thought that would be better, and it was. I'm glad I did it. Course, what bookmark could ever be complete without like some string or ribbon tied around them, which is why I got the hole punch. It just looks more like a bookmark if there's like a string or something tied to the end of it. It looks better, and you actually know what it is, at least in my humble opinion. Honestly, these all turned out much better than the other ones. I hope my boyfriend's not too upset about that. He did request flowers in his bookmarks, and that's what he got. I think that this one might be my favorite design that I made. It's just so simple. It's just a gradient with a few stars sprinkled in there, and I just think it looks cute. Yeah, that was my epic adventure creating some bookmarks for my boyfriend. I hope you guys got some ideas out of this or enjoyed the video and stuff like that. I just really enjoy making stuff for other people because it's more blessed to give than to receive, and God gave to us. He was very generous with us. He's still pretty generous with people, in all honesty. I mean, this verse says it all. Just read it. It's true, and it's good. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video, or were entertained by it, or something. It's a pretty different kind of video for art, I must admit, but I like trying something new. I like trying new things. I don't like to do the same thing year after year. So, y'all have a wonderful day, and peace out.